Hello दोस्तों, my name is Wasim and in this video I have brought something for you. Here are some common errors that you can make while speaking or writing. Let's take example one by one and where do you make mistake and what is to be right in place of it. Let's take our first example. Like, I speak English good. That is incorrect. What is correct sentence? I speak English well. Next sentence, I get my salary twice in a month. I get paid twice in a month. Next sentence, who cooked this salad? That is wrong sentence. Who made this salad? Next sentence, don't wait in the rain. You will have a cough. That is wrong. You will catch a cough. Are you agree? That is wrong. सही क्या है? Do you agree? और आंसर में जब आप दोगे तो I am agree. That is wrong. I agree. Next sentence, I am thinking. That is wrong. I think. Next, I am understanding. That is wrong. I understand. Next sentence, do you have any pencil? That is wrong. Do you have a pencil? Next sentence, he is our common friend. He is our common friend. There is a mistake common. We use mutual. What is mutual? Like, he is our mutual friend. He is our mutual friend. I am feeling. हिंदी क्या होगी guys? मुझे लग रहा है. I am feeling, but it is wrong. We use I feel. We use I feel because it is a static verb which is not used in present continuous sentence. He is married with a doctor. There is a mistake. What is our correct sentence? She is married to a doctor. Next sentence, everyone make mistake. We remember one thing guys, ठीक है? Whenever we talk about everyone, ठीक है? We always apply fifth form of the verb with this word, everyone. Everyone makes mistake. Okay, let's take another sentence. Everyone goes to park. Everyone does exercise. Everyone tells a lie. ठीक है? We always use fifth form of the verb with everyone. I play Ludo in home. That is wrong sentence. I play Ludo at home. Next sentence. There are so much people in park. There are so much people in park. We use there are so many people in park. Much. ठीक है? We use this with uncountable, and many we use this word with countable. So our correct sentence is there are so many people in park. She have 1,000 rupees. That is our wrong sentence. She has 1,000 rupees. I hope you have got something new today and कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे जरूर बताइए कि आपको पहले से कितने वर्डों के बारे में जानते थे एंड हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स हैव यू गॉट टुडे. आई होप गाइस ऐसे ही आप सीखते रहेंगे. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विद अ न्यू टॉपिक. थैंक्स.